To generate TC, we'll go to report and printing, tap on TC, tap on generate. Here add the admission number. Let's say I'm just adding the random admission number. This number does not exist, so let me just write. Okay, so here if the student has left the school, then we can just mark left and select the reason of leaving and date of leaving. Or if the parent has asked to get the TC, then we can tap on generate TC. Now when we are generating TC, we can just keep this TC in draft also. Okay, so let us fill the information first. Let's say suppose we have filled some information. Let's say we just added the part number and the other part of the data we want to fill it afterwards. So we click on save draft. The name of the student is Munna. So we will go back to save drafts and you can see the data is there. So we will tap on generate TC and entire data has been reloaded. So let's fill up the informations now. So this is going to be promoted to class 12. So we don't need to write yes and class 12 here. We can simply write 12 and this will automatically convert this into words. Month, let's take an example. This is 2025. Any fee concession? No. Total 178. Suppose the student is 142 days present. No. Games, let's say all. General conduct. Good. Let's say date of issue of transfer application is this. Reason for leaving could be parents' request. Any other remarks? If there is, you can just write. Again, if you want, you can keep it on saved to draft. And next time you tap on draft, it will load entire informations which you have entered. Let's tap on generate TC, which will generate the TC. So you see here entire information has come, and this is what I was saying. So here we have given 12 and it's also converted into words.